करो.
Hi everyone. In my previous video, I told all of you about determiners and the various types of determiners. Articles are an important type of determiners. This video of mine is based on articles. There are three types of articles: a, and the. A and an are known as indefinite articles. And the is known as definite article. I repeat, a and an are known as indefinite articles and the is known as definite article. Now where to use the article a or an? Always keep in mind, a or an are always used before singular countable nouns. I repeat, the noun should be singular and it should be countable. For example, I say boy. So before boy, I will use a boy, because this is singular. Second thing, it is countable. Suppose I write boys. So before boys, I cannot write a or an. No, because this is countable, but this is not singular. So it should satisfy both the points. It should be singular. At the same time, it should be countable. Now where to use an? An is always used before words beginning with vowel sounds. I repeat, beginning with vowel sounds. The initial sound should be vowel. Now vowel sounds are, you must have read in Hindi about swords, a, e, u, a, I, o. These are vowel sounds. Suppose I write ox. The initial sound, the word is beginning with o sound. O is one of the swears, that is vowel, and before ox I will write an ox. Suppose I write import. E, initial sound is E, that is also a vowel sound. So before that an will be used. Suppose I write honest man. Now this word is pronounced as honest, though the word is beginning with H, but the initial sound is O, honest man, and O is one of the vowels. So before that, an honest man. Suppose I write university. U, this is J. This is not a vowel sound. Ya is not a vowel sound. You cannot say it is beginning with U, so we can write an here. No, the initial sound should be vowel sound. The initial sound is ya here, and ya is not a vowel sound. So before university, you will write a, not an. So keep in mind, an is used before words beginning with vowel sounds, and a is used before words beginning with consonant sounds. Suppose I write child. Now here the initial sound is not a vowel sound. Ch is not a vowel sound. So before child I will write a. Suppose I write 1 rupee note. Now here the initial sound is va. It is not a vowel sound. Though the word is beginning with O, that is a vowel, but the initial sound is not vowel sound. There is a consonant sound. So here I will write a 1 rupee note. So keep in mind, an is used before words beginning with vowel sounds. A, e, u, a, I, o. And a is used before words beginning with consonant sounds. And the most important point that you have to keep in mind is the noun should be singular and countable. It should be singular and countable. You should be able to count it. Keep this point in mind. Thank you.